SERV stock analysis, 22nd of July, Monday and onward. Am I buying? Like, this is the main question I'm going to answer, and I'm going to cover everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. SERV robotics stock, the price just blew out of nowhere, you know, big shout out to that, but I'm just trying to double down, like, from a day/swing trade perspective, the lower time frame, just, you know, on the bullish side. This is nothing long term, and this is nothing serious. Don't listen to me. This is all demo and simulated environment. That out of the way. The way that I would move with this thing is simple. Pull down inside of the gray zone. The price goes down, gives me my confirmation. Then and only then I'd buy. If it starts going without me from here, I mean, so be it, man. Like, I'm not going to try and force it. You know, I'm not going to try and run after it or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. Like, literally all the reviews are 5 stars. So, goodbye.